Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing a payment method. Oyster, contactless bank card, or travel card. Fare capping saves money. Once you have that, open the TFL app or a journey planner to note route numbers and live departure times so you pick the fastest service. Walk to the bus stop and confirm the route displayed. Make sure to stand clearly visible for drivers. Tap in with your card or Oyster at the yellow reader as you board. This records your journey and applies the correct fare. Once on board, settle quickly. Use the front door, tap in, and stow baggage so aisles remain clear. You should understand the route map or live display. Why this matters is safety and timely alighting. When your stop approaches, press a stop button or pull the cord early. Drivers need a clear signal and time to pull over. Make connections easier by checking frequencies and alternate routes. If you must transfer, tap out, then tap in on the next bus to ensure correct fare charging. You finish by preparing to alight. Move toward the exit in good time and press the stop request again if needed. Once the bus stops, leave promptly via the designated doors and follow any station signage. Tap out only when required by your ticket type. If you miss a stop or face a delay, check the driver for options and use the TFL app or help points to reroute. This saves time. If payment or lost item problems occur, report them immediately and keep evidence for any refund claims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.